This is a video to tell you a little more about this course. So right now we're at the home page and you can see my contact information at the top, textbook information, and you can already see week 1 assignments, and each week I will post the assignments that are due. Also, you'll see the proctored exam dates, when they open and when they're due, and a quick welcome video, and then this video will be posted down here to show you how this course works. And then you can click start and it will take you to the OOM, which is the online orientation module. You will have to complete this before you can access any of the other modules. You will also have to go through the important course information module. This module has a lot of information that is very helpful. Make sure you view every item in this module. It will tell you about grading, about notification settings, your course textbook, your access code so you can get into my lab and mastering, and your first discussion board. There will be 3 discussion boards in this class for the summer. So this is how I have it set up. I've actually completely redone the course for this semester and broken it down into sections. So chapter 1 is not broken down into sections because there's only one homework. But chapter 2, you can there are lecture videos you can watch, or you can go to the learning practices, and the learning practices will give you a page called Class with Miss Horn, and this is me working problems, and it'll say, okay, watch this video and then you should be able to work this problem. So it's almost like you're sitting in class, I'm teaching, and then I'm telling you, okay, now you go practice one. And so I have this set up for every section. Also, if you were in class and you had a question, you would raise your hand. Well, here you just leave a comment, and that's how you ask a question under the video. So every module is set up that way, and you'll see as we go down that when you get to chapter 4, you'll have a midterm review module. This is where we will review, and your study guide will be in my lab and mastering, and your non-proctored test will be in my lab and mastering. So it will be set up a lot like your homework. When you work in my lab and mastering, which is where you'll do almost all of your work, so when you get to an assignment, I was going to show you if it'll let me click on anything. Let me just go to, alright, so when you go to a question and you're working it, and you may have used this before, you have question help. A lot of students like help me solve this, which takes you through it step by step. Or you can do view an example, which works one step by step. A lot of students like that. If you have watched my videos and you've used all your resources in the class and you're still having trouble, you can click on Ask My Instructor and it will send me your problem that you're working. Going back in, to Canvas. Homepage is where if you need to check anything for the week, you can go there. Smarter proctoring is where your exams are, your proctored exams. And another thing, when you're doing your discussion boards, be sure there may be a discussion board where a post is due on a Wednesday. But all this will be in your course calendar. So you can print this off. This is what I would go by. If there's a date that's wrong in Canvas, I'm going to go by the date that's on the study guide. And I don't think that this class has any midweek discussion boards. At least I don't see any. And I'm going to go back to the home page real quick. And I will probably add my contact information a little bit bigger up here, at least for the first couple of weeks, in case you need anything. This is my Google Voice number. This is the best way to reach me, mainly through text. If you want a quick answer, just send me a text. But I look forward to getting to know each one of you, and I hope that you have a great semester.